Ka UCC lane ka bil ban penlong tang kawei ka niam tang kawei ka ktien kam dei ka bala wanrah da ka sorkar India. Henrei ka dei tang ka bil simet ka bala terwa haraja sabha bat kadang sa menta hajrong ben. Ya kane ka bil om dei bala wanrah da ka sorkar umodi Henrei da kiru simet. Habakli sepang ka surogrel hak ba ka sorkar India kalatmu ban penpoiral syame kalaya ukun rad ulaong hadu menta ka khlem don ka jing ai NOC ban sinalen tirel hame kalaya ulaong ba uladep ya kren ro pat katanad rel ba kan sange shwaya kane ka jing sinalen tirel hame kalaya namar habban burom ka jing singe ujung ki babon ulaong ki bro hame kalaya om dei ba ki khlem kwa ya kalen tirel Henrei kim kwa ya ka jing wan tuj kertep jong ki bro ki ba nabar habakli lada ka ILP kala ban yarab ulaong ka ILP kadai ka babyang palat Henrei ka sorkar kami ka klempat ay jubab nalor kane kidang don ro shibun kilat kilenti kumno banyada ekibro jong ka megalaya
like to start question 47. Sir, no bill regarding UCC has been passed by the Rajya Sabha on the said date. Just for the benefit of the House, the UCC Bill 2022 was introduced as a private member's bill. It was not introduced by Government of India. Private members' bills are brought in by individuals at their individual level and capacity. So the bill has been brought in as a private member's bill, not by the government, number one. And number two, sir, in the list of pending bills in the Rajya Sabha, this one is number 100. So it is there, it was introduced as a private member's bill, and that was all, sir.
I have already discussed with the Honourable Minister in my last visit, and the Honourable Minister has expressed that the Honourable Prime Minister is deeply concerned, and he would like to see that all the capitals of the state are connected with railway in the larger interest of the nation in terms of ensuring that the economy overall prospers, and which is a correct stand. That if you look at it from a country's perspective, connecting all the states and the capital is something that will benefit the country as a whole. And obviously Prime Minister has good intentions while he intends to push all states and the Railway Ministry to achieve this. But while that happens, every state have their own complications. And obviously in our state, railway has been an issue where a lot of different organizations and also different traditional heads have raised concerns regarding issues of influx. And hence we need to understand that though the importance of the railway is understood, it is also important to carry our people along and build up the confidence in them, and which is what I had expressed to the Honourable Minister, and Honourable Minister understood, and he said that we will go ahead with all of these things only when we are able to carry everybody along and we understand the problems that are there in the state of Meghalaya, and but we hope that we'll be able to find a solution to as per the which I've been repeating again and again, it's not the stand that people are against railway. The issue is influx and the protection of our people. ILP is one of the ways in which we could do it, and that's why in the interest of ensuring that we're able to move forward, we have passed a resolution and taken it forward. But then ILP is not the only way. It's one of the ways. So if we get ILP, then that'll be great. If not, then how do we move forward? What are the other options? So all these aspects are being discussed, because as I said, the crux of the matter is not that people are against railway. It's not that people are saying it has to be ILP. It's not that people are saying it has to be XYZ. The issue is influx and the protection of our identity.